Hi guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Today it is the summer entryway refresh. So as you guys can see, this is my front door right here. So this is my entryway. So I'm still with the yellow theme. So I'm going to take out this display, even though I love this display guys. I love my chinoiserie, I love my blue and white. So guys, I'm going to be taking everything out and I'm going to go with yellow. So I don't know if I'm going to keep the blue and white chinoiserie vase and change it or put it with green. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Guys, this is the open collaboration, the summer entryway, and this is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor at home with Lisa, myself, Deborah, Cabassa Home Living, design with Emma. And also we have Angie Forsen, Sandy Home and Garden, Debbie Bubbles, Ersa Su Glam Style. So you could decorate your entryway any way you like it for the summer, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab my pledge. It's time to pledge my mantle fireplace. I will be taking everything out of here, putting it away, and then we're gonna come right back and get the stuff that I want to use for my display. Yep, that's what we're going to do. So let's go. Oh, guys, what I'm doing this, I wanted to let you know that we will be going live. The Grace Life DIY and myself we will be going live tomorrow evening. I believe it's tomorrow, yes. Check out my community tab. I put the flyer. We're going to be discussing a couple of things and talking, and you guys could get to know us a little better. So, yeah, come and join us. We're going to be discussing titles and hashtags for your videos, you know, and stuff like that. And if you have any question that we can answer, we will gladly answer it for you. So yeah, guys, come and join us. And also, I wanted to also let you guys know that I am hosting with a group of lovely ladies a father's picnic tablescape. The title says picnic, but doesn't mean that you're going to do a picnic if you can't. If you can do it, yes, by all means, you know. Um, but that's the title that I picked. But you could do it however you like. This is for the 15th because Father's Day, I believe, is on the 16th. So we're just going to celebrate all fathers, the ones here on earth, like the ones that are in heaven. So I would like for you guys to join us. A lot of you guys don't know my father is in heaven. So as to celebrate my dad, he was a great father. And also I am doing the summertime tea party. So you could do it however you like. It's an open, it's a freestyle. You could do your tea party however you like it. So yeah, guys. So come and join me for that. Guys, I cleaned my little mantle, but I didn't pick the stuff that I want to use in here. So I'm going to shut my house and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm going to keep it simple. Make sure it's right in the center there. I'm going to keep it simple. And even though I clean this, everything always gets full of dust. So I hope you guys are doing good. Over here we're doing good. I'm always keeping cleaning those things because everybody touches them and. So I'm going to place this here. And since I'm going to keep with the yellow theme, I'm going to be using my DIY that I created. So I want to keep it. I'm still celebrating summer. We just got in summer, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use my bee themes DIY that I have created. I think that's going to fill my little space here. So yeah, guys. So I will be doing that. Also, let me put my beehive. Is a beehive? Yeah, beehive. No, that's the beehive. This is the honeycomb. So, like so. This is going to be simple. And also, my flower arrangement, you guys know, is big. So I want to use it here. Yeah, guys, you guys know me. I'm doing this at the last minute. I just came from a long walk. So I think that looks nice. Everything is nicely there. So I feel like I'm still need something. So I'm going to be keeping my gold, but I just changed the candle holders, but I'm keeping my gold and black DIY candle holders that I did to keep one in each side. And guys, I will be linking everybody in my description box below so you guys can go and check them out and show them some love, guys. I don't know. I think I'll place this one here, this one here, and this one here. I want the yellow to be more noticeable. So, yeah, I think I like that. Yeah, I think I like that better. Yeah. Even though in this flower arrangement, guys, I have a lemon stem, I'm just going to leave it there because, you know, bees and lemons, everything goes together. It's nature. It's summer. So, why not? Yep. I'll do it like that. So, all right. So, let me add my candles. And this one I could bring them as close as I want to the flower arrangement because they're battery operated candles. And also, I want to add my little guide here in my arrangement. And also I want to add my little beehive. All this stuff I got them from Michael's. When I got this bunch of flowers, I did got them from Michael's. The lemon stem got it from Michael. The rest I already have. This is from the Dollar Tree. They're big roses. They look so real. Those are from Walmart. I bought them I think last year or the previous year. And I also have flowers here from the Dollar Tree. Guys, I think my display is done. I think my display is done. Let me bring you guys close. I think it turned out nice. So yeah, guys, here's my display from the top. So guys, you guys can go and check everybody else's display. Let me see. Let me put you guys here for a minute. Mess around with my tripod. I dropped one of my sunflowers. I'm going to add these little sunflowers right here. Why not? I think sunflower goes with, it says it's sunflower summer, so it might as well. Yeah, guys, I think my display is done. Simple, but I like it. I like it a lot. And then, like I said, this will be done in another video. And I also, as you guys can see, I still have that one over there to do, but that's going to be another video. So guys, what do you guys think? I think it turned out nice. Let me turn off the light. Yeah, now you guys can see the candles lit up a little bit. So I like it, guys. I think it turned out, it's simple but nice. I didn't want to put a runner or anything on the top because I wanted to look like this. So yeah, guys, let me come over here and leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.